of 800 a weight of 800 newtons is supported by two chains as two chains. Determine the tension in each chain, sir.
Okay, the given problem is a weight of 800 newtons is supported by two chains. So as shown in the given figure, and determine the tension in each chain. Determine the tension in each chain. Okay, this is the problem. A 800 newtons is supported by two chains. Then determine the tension in each chain. Yes, am I correct? So last class itself,
Yes, sir.
I told that kindly please respond. This is a problematic subject. Kindly please respond. What can we do? Initial, what is the first step to solve this problem? What is the first step to solve the problem?
Parallel perpendicular lines తీసుకోవాలి సార్.
So to draw the coordinate like coordinate system. To draw the coordinate system. This is coordinate system. This is coordinate system. Okay. So let us consider this is weight 800 newtons. This is 800 newtons. Next, one chain. Let us assume. So here he has given B. That's why I will consider it as T2. I will consider it as T2. Next, this is A. That's why I will consider it as T1. Okay. So here he given one line. He gave one line. So makes with an angle of how much?
70 degrees, sir.
Makes with an angle of 70 degrees. 70 degrees. Here makes with an angle of 20 degrees. So let us can assume all these are right angle triangles. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. So I will draw here. Okay, what is the angle between here? 70 degrees. Similarly, this is one right angle triangle. This is one right angle triangle. What is the angle here?
20 degrees.
20 degrees. So, so for right angle triangle, if one side is 90 degrees, remaining sides, the sum of remaining two sides is 90 degrees. Here, how much angle?
90 degrees.
This is 90 degrees. So then tell me how much angle here? What is the angle here? This is
20.
a right angle
20.
triangle. So here angle is 90 degrees. Remaining, the sum of remaining two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Here, problem itself, he gave 70 degrees. Remaining angle is 20 degrees. So similarly, so this is 90 degrees and this is how much?
70.
This is 70 degrees. Excellent. This is 70 degrees. Okay. Now tell me the angle between these T1 and T2.
90, sir.
90. So 70 plus 20. 70 plus 20 is equal to 90 degrees. 70 plus 90. Ganesh, please mute yourself. 70 plus 20. This is 90 degrees. So we need to find out the remaining angles. So the angle between T1 to 800, the angle between T1 to 800 and the angle between T2 to 800. Now tell me how I need to find out. Bharat, please tell me.
Sir,
Yeah, Bharat, tell me. Now I need to find out the angle between T1. This is T1 and this is weight 800 newtons. I need to find out this angle. I need to find out this angle.
Sir,
sir, there is 90
Sir.
degrees between T to T1, sir.
Yeah, excellent. 90 degrees between T1 and T2. This angle we know. So now this
T
is,
to T1, sir, 90 degrees.
yeah, wait. Okay. What is this angle?
70 degrees, sir.
Yeah, super. 70 degrees. So
Degrees.
let us consider this is a right angle triangle. If here angle is 70, but remaining angle is how much?
20 degrees, sir. 20 degrees.
Yeah, super. 20 degrees. 20 degrees. Okay. So let
sir.
us assume this is one right angle triangle. So what is the angle here?
90, sir. 90 degrees.
90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay. 90 degrees.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me what complete angle.
one thing, sir.
From T1 to 800, 110, sir. 110 degrees.
So 90 plus 20, total 110 degrees between T1 to 8. Now tell me angle between T2 to, this is T2. This is force 800 newtons. Now tell me the angle between T2 to 800.
160. 160, sir.
This is 20 degrees. Remaining angle here is 70.
70 degrees, sir.
160.
Plus
70, 160.
90.
70 plus 90, how much?
160, sir.
160.
160 degrees. 160 degrees. Now I will draw diagram. This is T1. Yes, this is T2. And this is weight 800 newtons. So what is the angle? Now tell me what is the angle between T1 and T2?
90 degrees, sir.
90.
Excellent. 90 degrees.
110 degrees. Sir.
90
60 degrees.
So T2 to 800 is 110 degrees. This is 160 degrees. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, apply Lami's theorem. Apply Lami's theorem at point C. Apply Lami's theorem. Apply Lami's theorem at point C. Lami's theorem at point. Okay, what is the definition of Lami's theorem?
Each force is directly proportional to sine of angle between two forces.
Each force is directly proportional
Directly
to,
proportional to sine of angle between two other forces.
yeah, super sine of angle between other two forces.
Two
So
forces.
now tell me the formula. If suppose I am going to take T1. T1 is directly proportional to how much? Sine of angle between
160.
90.
sine of angle.
91.
Tell me Ganesh, either 9, who is Divakar? Excellent. So T1. So T1
160.
for T1 160 degrees is exactly opposite. So remaining two forces is here T2 and 800. So the angle between T2 and 800 is 160 degrees. T1 is equal 160 degrees. Now tell me T2. T2 is directly
110
degrees.
110 degrees.
110
degrees.
degrees.
110 degrees.
Next, 800 is directly proportional to sine
800 sin 90.
90. Okay. Now I will write it as T1 divided by sine 160 equal to T2 divided. Kindly please mute yourself. Sine 110 degrees. Next, 800 divided by sine 90. So what is the value of sine 90?
1.
1 sir.
90 is equal to 1. So please equate T1 is equal to 800 into sine 160. Next, T2 is equal to how much? 800 is into sine 110 degrees. What is the value of T1? Kindly please mute yourself. Kindly please mute yourself. This is session is going to record. So what is the value of T1? Bharat 306, please tell me what is the value of T1?
Sir, 1 minute.
Bharat CR. Ganesh
Sir, 273.6, sir.
T1
Yes, sir.
273.6 newtons. Next T2. Kindly please keep your calculators with. Please tell me the value of T2. 800 into sine
Sir,
110.
751.7 Newton, sir.
751 point. 751.7
Newtons, sir. 0.7 Newtons.
newtons. Okay, guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next problem. Who will going to solve?
Phone is it's triple the number.
Nitin.
Sir. Sir.
You can solve next problem. You just tell me the stepwise procedure. I will write it down. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I will share the next problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please read the problem.
An electric light fixture weighted 15 newtons hang from a point C by two strings AC and BC.
Okay.
AC is inclined at 60 degrees to
Yeah.
horizontal and BC is at 45 degrees to the vertical as shown in figure. Using Lami's theorem or otherwise determine the forces in the strings AC and BC.
Yeah, okay. This is the given problem. An electric light fixture is weighing with a 50 newtons hangs from a point C by two strings called as AC and BC. Okay. Yeah. So this is the diagram.
Fixture, sir. Yes, sir.
A light fixture having a weight of
15 newtons.
15 newtons with two hangs. One is AC and BC. So makes with an angle of 60 degrees and 45 degrees. Now tell me. So what is the first step?
Sir, we need to find the two perpendicular, two parallel ones, sir. Parallel and perpendicular angle.
Okay, first
Which is the
we need to find out the
T1, sir.
tension T1
Tension
and
is, sir.
T2. T1 and T2. These
T2.
are the unknowns. So by applying Lami's theorem, first we need to draw the coordinate system.
Yes, sir.
We need to draw the coordinate system. This is coordinate system. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
let us assume. So what is the weight of lamp?
15 newtons, sir.
So this is 15 newtons.
Newtons.
Yeah, this is
30 degrees. T2.
T2. This is
T1.
and this is T1. So whatever the angles he has given, kindly please follow this method only. Okay, as per this method you can solve the problem. Okay, so here he has given a line. He has given a line with an angle how much?
30, sir.
30.
Sorry, sir. 60.
60 degrees, sir.
60, sir. 60, 60, 60.
Okay, this is 60 and this angle is
30, 30.
30 degrees. So similarly, what is the angle here?
45, sir.
45. So let us assume this is a right angle triangle. So okay, likewise you just project. Okay, if this is a right angle triangle, so here angle is how much?
45, sir.
Here angle
90, sir. 90.
Sir, 90, 90, 90, sir.
okay, please don't get confused. Here 90 degrees. Okay, here he has given a angle. How much angle? In problem itself
45.
45.
45.
so I will draw problem like this only. Okay, problem like this one. Here angle is how much? 45. So what about remaining angle?
90.
Here 45. What about remaining? 45. So this is 45. Yes, am I clear?
Clear,
45.
sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, 45. This angle is 45. Now we just draw the this is T2 and this is T1. This is 15 newtons. Now tell me the angle between T1 and T2.
75.
The angle between T1 and T2. So this is 45
75.
and this is 30. 30 plus
105. 105.
75, sir.
30 plus 45, how much? Divakar.
75. 75.
75. 75, sir.
Okay. Please don't get confused. Very, very simple problems. 75 degrees. Now tell me the angle between T1 and 15.
135. Sir.
Yeah, this angle is 45 degrees. This angle is 45. So this angle is 90 degrees. 90 plus 45. How much? This angle is 90.
135.
And this one is
135, sir.
135. Next, tell me angle between T2 and 15.
150.
So here angle how much? This angle is 60. Remaining angle is this angle is 30. Remaining angle is 60.
60.
Here angle is 90 degrees. 90 plus 60. How much? 150 degrees. So apply Lami's theorem at point C. Apply Lami's theorem at point C. Tell me. Nitin, tell me. Nitin. Nitin, where is Nitin?
So T1 by
Nitin, I want answer from Nitin.
సార్ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతా ఉంది సార్ ఇక్కడ.
Okay,
సార్
okay.
హలో సార్.
Ganesh, Divakar, tell me.
Sir,
Divakar, tell me. T1 divided by T1 divided by how much?
150.
sin 150. Sin
Yeah.
150.
sin 150, sir.
Super. Sin 150 is equal to next T2 divided by
2 divided by sin 135.
sin 135.
5.
Okay. Next
15 by
15 divided by
sin 75.
sin 70.
75.
Okay. So what is the value of sin 75?
Sir, answer 15.52.
Here T1 divided by sin 150 is equal to T2 divided by sin 135 is equal to 15 divided by what is the value of sin 75?
0.96.
0.96. Okay. Then tell me 15 by 0.96 by sin 150 is equal to T2 divided by sin 135 is equal to how much? 15 by 0.96.
15.625.
15.625. 15.625. Okay. Please equate T1 is equal to 15.62 into sin 150. T2 is equal to 15.62 into sin 135. So what is the value of T1 and T2?
1 minute, sir. Sir, T1 7.81.
7.81. What is the units? Bharat, what is
Newtons,
the
sir.
Newtons.
Yeah, Newtons. Next T2.
15.625. Sin 135.
Sir, 11 Newtons, sir.
7.31.
11 newtons.
11 newtons.
Okay, super.
Yes, sir.
Ganesh, please read the problem.
A weight of 900 Newton is supported by two chains of length 4 meters and 3 meters as shown in the figure. Determine the tension in each chain.
Okay, a weight of 900 newtons is supported by two chains of a length 4 meters. Here he has given length. Here he has given length. So by using these lengths, we need to find out the angles. So based after getting the angles, we have to calculate the tensions in each chain. Tensions in each chain.
Yes, sir.
So this is the problem. This is the problem. A weight of 900 newtons. A weight of 900 newtons is supported by a two chains having a length 4 meters 3 meters. Here he has given a length of 5 meters. So here he did not give any angles. So what is the first step? What is the first step? Here.
Draw the coordinates.
So to draw the coordinate system. Okay, this one is the coordinate system. So here he has given one chain having a tension T2 and here T1. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
and this one and sorry 1 minute. So this is T1. Here weight is 900.
900 Newton.
Okay.
Newtons.
So what is the length here from A to B?
5 meter. 5 meters.
5 meters. Here length
That 3 meters, sir.
3 meters. Here
4 meters.
4 meters.
Meters.
So here he has given an angle alpha
Alpha.
and an angle beta.
Beta.
First find out the angle alpha. First find out the angle alpha. So you know the sides. You know the two sides. Here one side and here one side and here one side. So first take the triangle ABC. Take triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Alpha. So first I am going to take sine alpha. What is meant by sine alpha? Sine alpha. Opposite side by
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse? Sorry, opposite side.
4 meter.
Opposite
4
side.
ABC.
BC, ah.
Yes, sir.
BC divided by hypotenuse AB. Hypotenuse AB. What is the value of BC?
5 BC. 3 meters.
3 meters divided by AB.
5.
Okay, sine alpha is equal to 3 by 5. What is the value of 3 by 5?
So is equal to 3 by 5. 0.6.
0.6.
6.
0.6. Alpha is equal to sine inverse of 0.6. What is the value of sine inverse of 0.6?
36.86.
Alpha is equal to 36.86. So this angle is alpha is equal to 36.86.
0.86.
So this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So if you know the angle here 36.86, then tell me what is the angle of theta 1? You know the alpha value. So this is right angle triangle. What is the angle here? Divakar? Divakar. What is the value here? What is the value? Divakar, what is the value here?
126.0 86.
126. Divakar, what is the angle?
90, sir.
90, sir.
90.
90.
Here alpha, you know that angle is 36. What about
36.
remaining angle theta?
That is 126.086, sir.
If this is a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. So this
Right.
angle
Yes,
is
sir.
90 degrees.
90,
This angle is 36.86.
36.
0.86.
1 minute, sir.
9. So by subtracting 90 minus 36.86, you get this angle
53.14.
53.
0.14.
Okay, super. 53.14.
14.
So if this angle is 53.14, then tell me the angle of theta 2.
Uh, 90.
So here the total angle is 90. So here the total angle is
36.86, sir.
36.86.
86.
36.86.
86, sir.
Okay, now tell me the. So now I am going to draw a diagram. So this is T2 and this is T1. What is the angle between here? T1 and T2? Divakar, what is the angle between T1 and T2?
90, sir.
Divakar,
No, no. Sir, none, sir.
what is the angle between T1 and T2?
Right, sir. 90, sir.
Yeah, super. So by adding this 53.14 and plus 36.86, we'll get this angle.
90, sir.
Okay, this one is 900 Newton. Now tell me the angle between T2 and 900.
T2 and 900, sir.
Yeah. So here the angle is 36. Then remaining angle is
53.14.
yeah, similarly. So for two equal right angle triangles, if this angle here angle is 36, the opposite angle is also same. Opposite angle also same. Like similarly here. So this one is
Sir, 142.
that is here. This is 53.14 and this is 90 degrees. How much total?
143.14.
143.14.
14.
Now tell me the angle between T1 and 900.
126.86.
So this is 36.86. 36.86. 36.86 plus 90. How much? 36.86.
126.86.
126.86. Now apply Lami's theorem at point C. Apply Lami's theorem at point C. T1 divided by how much?
Sin 143.14.
Yeah, super. Sin 143.14. Next, T2 divided by
Sin 126.86.
sin 126.86 is equal to 900
900 by sin 90.
sin 90. Super. So next, T1 is equal to value of sin 90 is equal to 1. Sin 90
1,
is
sir.
equal to 1. So equate 900 into sin 143.14. Then T2 is equal to 900 into sin 126.86. Tell me the value of T1.
Sir, 539.87, sir.
539.87.
0.87.
What is the units?
Newtons.
Super. Next T2 value.
26. 720.
728.1, sir.
720.1.
728.1 newtons. Okay.
728, sir. 28 కాదు.
720, sorry, 720.1.
1 newtons.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will send two homework problems. Kindly please submit before next class. Class I am asking randomly. You need to share the screen.